Okay, so we've got a, it's actually a brushless hammer gun from AliExpress, approximately 50 bucks US, and I just wonder how they managed to do it. It runs off of a Makita battery. Obviously it's not a Makita brand, so I don't know if they've licensed out, the battery to be used on this tool. I'm assuming so. There is LXT on the casing. It feels pretty good quality, I've got to be honest. So I've had it for about 2 or 3 weeks now. I just do work that's really shitty, so there's no, I thought I'd try it, because if it was crap, or if it breaks in a couple of weeks, it's no great shakes. But yeah, I don't know if there's guys over there in China that are just building them out of bankrupt stock or something like that, or if it's a legit company. But it is a proper brushless motor as well, so it's a brushless motor. How can that be done for 50 bucks? I'll have to get the real deal at some point, but due to another Chinese export, I'm not a bit strapped for cash at the moment, so we'll see. But yeah, it's just a video to show how good it is for the money that it costs. It feels like it's getting a bit loose, so I'll probably have to give the screws a tighten on the casings. But for what I'm doing, and for the cost of it, and I'll show some sort of busting off of unions that I'm doing, it's a crazy price, Yeah. So the light doesn't work anymore, but the battery indicator still works. If I got 6 months out of it, it's more than paid for itself. So yeah, there you go.